Hello, welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best electric ratchet wrench that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with video. Number 1. KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The tool, battery, and charger complete this package. You can avail everything you need to operate the tool on an economical budget. This wrench is powerful enough to meet most of your wrenching needs. From the variable speed settings, you can set your preferred one according to job demand. The fuel gauge lets you know the remaining charge of the battery by a LED light. Another LED is placed at the front to let you work in poorly lit spaces. The soft and anti-slip grip makes this ratchet wrench perfect to use for long hours. But I do not recommend this tool for professionals. This kit is convenient for occasional use and is an excellent addition for DIYers, but it may give out quickly if overused. Besides, the power it delivers may not suffice a professional's need. The tool, battery, and charger complete this package. You can avail everything you need to operate the tool on an economical budget. This wrench is powerful enough to meet most of your wrenching needs. From the variable speed settings, you can set your preferred one according to job demand. The fuel gauge lets you know the remaining charge of the battery by a LED light. Another LED is placed at the front to let you work in poorly lit spaces. The soft and anti-slip grip makes this ratchet wrench perfect to use for long hours. But I do not recommend this tool for professionals. This kit is convenient for occasional use and is an excellent addition for DIYers, but it may give out quickly if overused. Besides, the power it delivers may not suffice a professional's need. Things we liked: accessories included, fuel gauge, speed settings, inexpensive. Things we liked: accessories included, fuel gauge, speed settings, inexpensive. Number 2. Milwaukee 2457-21 M12 Cordless Ratchet Kit. Milwaukee is a famous name in the business, with its cordless impact wrenches being an unavoidable part of most auto repair shops. Taking a share in the growing electric ratchet market segment is a logical step for a firm with such heritage. The Milwaukee M12 cordless ratchet is a capable tool that offers a wide range of applications. With an electric motor that delivers up to 35 feet-pounds of torque, it can take on even the most demanding jobs. The maximum speed it produces is 250 RPM, and a variable speed trigger will ensure better control while fastening any fastener you come across. Furthermore, this ratchet comes with a durable M12 battery and a fast 30 minutes charger. The combination of prolonged battery life and short charging times makes it perfect for professionals and heavy-duty applications. Meanwhile, the built-in LED light is helpful when working inside engine bays, as it gives a better overview of the work area. Another useful feature is the precise battery life indicator, providing a clear insight into the remaining battery capacity. However, all products have one or more flaws, and this Milwaukee ratchet wrench is no exception. With a weight that exceeds 4 pounds, this ratchet is among the heaviest on this list. I've said it before and I will say it again. You simply can't go wrong with Milwaukee's cordless tool lineup. If you work as a professional auto mechanic, this is the one you need. Pros: 35 feet-pounds of torque and 250 RPM. Variable trigger. Durable M12 battery with 30-minute quick charge. Built-in LED light helps in dark areas. Precise onboard fuel gauge. Number 3. S-Long Cordless Ratchet Wrench. If you're feeling rather adventurous and want to try something new without spending too much, then the S-Long Cordless Ratchet Wrench just might be the perfect tool for you. Although it is one of the cheapest ratchet wrenches on the list, you'll be amazed at what is included in the package. This ratchet wrench includes a hard case, a lithium-ion battery, and a charger. The manufacturer also threw in a manual ratchet wrench, 8 sockets of different sizes, an adapter, and an extension sleeve for good measure. My only gripe is that its weight can cause operation fatigue when used for several hours. Other than that, this is a fairly good product. Pros: The S-long cordless ratchet wrench delivers a powerful 29 feet-to-pounds of torque. It has an ergonomic push button with a variable speed trigger and convenient forward, reverse switch. It illuminates your work area with its bright LED. The battery, fast charger, and carrying case are already included in the package. This is one of the most affordable cordless electric ratchet wrenches on the list. Number 4. Makita RWOIRI 12 volts Max CXT Cordless Ratchet Kit. Makita is another reputable cordless tool manufacturer, renowned among all those who work with power tools on a daily basis. Its experience of building capable and reliable tools is something that spans more than a century. With the RWO1 model, Makita aims at mechanics and builders looking for a versatile electric ratchet. The maximum torque of 35 feet-to-pounds sets it among the more powerful units on this list. Meanwhile, the variable and easy-to-control output speed, which goes up to 800 RPM, ensures fast and precise fastening of bolts and nuts. Users who spend a lot of their time working with long threads may find it quite helpful. However, the availability of two interchangeable anvils is what really sets it apart. With a 1/4 inch drive for smaller sockets and 3/8 inch for larger ones, it's easy to find the best combination, not to mention that you'll also save yourself the hassle of having to buy two different electric ratchets. Another distinctive feature of this ratchet is the ability to tighten bolts by hand while the power is off. It can prove quite worthy in certain situations, such as starting a thread or tightening bolts by feel. The only notable shortcomings include the weight that exceeds 5 pounds and an unusual battery design. Its elongated shape makes the whole assembly a bit bulky, which can be an issue when working in tight spaces. Still, with no other flaws worth mentioning, this is a cordless ratchet that does a great job covering all the bases. Pros: reputable brand, very powerful motor, 800 RPM and 35 feet-to-pounds of torque. Extremely versatile design, interchangeable 1/4 and 3/8 anvils. Number 5. Aircat 3/8 inch ratchet, large. If silence is the feature you are looking for in your ratchet wrench, you can surely invest in this wrench from Aircat. The manufacturer declared this tool as the quietest tool in the market with its 82 decibels operating sound. This ratchet is also known as the highest torque-producing wrench in the current market. It is powerful, tough, and durable. Suitable for heavy-duty jobs in the car repair shop, garage, mechanic shop, and many more. Less noise makes this wrench perfect for homeowners. The rubber-padded handle and the pressure-sensitive trigger will not cause the slightest fatigue in your hand even after constantly operating for 10-12 hours. Besides, this wrench is resistant to drop and overuse. Even with all these impressive features, this tool fits in a medium-range budget. Hence, this one is the best 3/8 drive cordless ratchet in the market. Things we liked: quiet operation, powerful torque, durable and long-lasting, inexpensive. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.